beautiful, baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it yes, is it no, is it maybe?
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome to our channel, Chris and Jazz. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, because by the end of this video you're gonna want to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and let's just get right into this video. So today I decided to make this orange chicken plant-based meal. I used to eat it like a while back, and I haven't had it in a while, but now that I'm on my journey, my detox meatless journey, if that makes sense. It's late at night and I'm doing a voiceover, but I like this brand. I think it's Gardein, if I'm saying it right, but it's really good. Like, I haven't had it in a while, but I remember it being good. It had this strong vinegar taste. It's very easy. It's like, for me, it's like a transition stage. If you just want to transition into becoming a vegan, or you just want to take a break from meat, this is a good brand. Like, they have so many options for you to choose from. They have the ground beef, plant-based. It's not beef, but that's what it's called. They have the chicken nuggets, but it's not chicken. I think most of it made out of soybean and some more vegetables. They really have some good health facts on the back. If you just read it, you can put it in the oven, and I think it's another way you can cook it, but I like cooking it on top of the stove because it's very quick and convenient, especially if you're a busy person like me. I'm a mom. I'm always on the go. I'm always doing things. So yeah, I'm just reading the back of it right now, just reading the ingredients, and they pretty much have water, just everything that you can understand. Water, coconut oil, soybean, a lot of good factors. I really love this brand, and yeah, I'm just still reading. But this was one of my ideas, since this is like the second or third day without eating meat, and I was wondering, I was looking for something I can, go to, because sometimes you run out of ideas, and this was one of them. And you can get this from Walmart, any your local grocery store. You will see it on the frozen aisle. You will see it. They have a whole section, this brand. But now I'm just going to heat the oven, heat my eye up, and I put a little olive oil in there. Don't add water. I'm telling you, if you add water, it defeats the purpose of the chicken being crispy, because it's crispy chicken. It's supposed to be crispy. You don't want to water it down, and you don't need that much olive oil. I'm telling you, it look like it's not going to turn out right now, but it will. At first, I messed it up like years ago, but I'm telling you, if you just read the directions on the back, it tells you how much, you should put in there. And I just eyeballed it. I just put a little, and of course you would know if you need a little more olive oil once you start placing the chicken in the pan. And you don't want to overfill your pan either. You just want to put enough to where you can flip it. So now I'm just going to start placing them in there one by one. I hate that some of them were stuck, but it's okay. I'm still get it done. And I think I have some quinoa that I want to do with it. You can do some rice, you can do some pasta, whatever you want on the side. But I think for this meal, I'm just gonna go with some old-fashioned noodles. And I'm just going to add a little more olive oil. Like I said, once you put it in there, you just want to have just a little amount, just enough, you know, for all of your chicken. You don't want to just have just a pinch of olive oil because it will burn. And I have my eye on medium. I think you let this cook for like 10 to 15 minutes on each side. So now I'm just gonna start flipping the chicken over one by one. You don't want it to burn. I'm telling you, olive oil. I think I'm using the virgin olive oil. You have to know which olive oil you're using as well. Some burn quicker than the others. So I'm just gonna flip them over one by one. You see it's starting to get a little, it's not golden, not yet, but it's getting a little darker, like a darker brown or a lighter brown. And oh my God, I hate when they're like this, but it's still gonna cook pretty good. I'm just fighting with this chicken. And y'all, oh my God, it tastes just like if it was chicken. Well, it really don't taste. I would say the texture of this tastes like it could be chicken. And I don't know if I said it already, but it comes with the sauce, so you don't have to make your own sauce. It comes with it. I know I have had previous experience, I think with some mozzarella sticks I had got from Walmart. They didn't have the marinara sauce in there with it, and I'm like, oh my God, I hope they have the soy sauce here. And sometimes I guess it just be, I don't know, it's just marketing and they just put it on the pack and it don't be in there. I mean, they put it on the box, but it don't be in there. But so now, I'm just gonna continue to flip. And this is not like back to back. This is like a few minutes later that I'm getting on here and flipping it. And you see that it's giving that golden, crisp look, texture on the chicken. Like, it's starting to come together. I have to get it. I love recording. I'm on TikTok, and I think I may get it on Instagram. But if you would like to see how it looked on our page, go follow our page, Chris and Jazz on Instagram. So now these are the noodles that I'm going to use. I know normally people get water from out the sink, but I just use some water that I got from Kroger. And I love this brand. These are my favorite noodles. I'm a noodle type of person. Chris, he's a rice. Well, he started like in the Quino, so he liked it better than rice. And do y'all put the whole noodle in there, or do you split it? Do you break it? And once you get done with your noodles, like, do you pour all the water out? Let me know how y'all do it. So I'm back over here, just frying it a little more because I don't want the soft. I don't like soft chicken. I don't like soft chicken nuggets. I have to have a little crisp, you know. It's just something about the texture. I'm a texture type of person. And I think I did this wrong, but I'm gonna keep it in here just to show y'all my mistake so you won't mess up when you make this at home. I put it in here and I should have kept this in the pan, but I'm finna put it in the pan now. Once you put your sauce in here, you should let it marinate in the chicken. You want it to cook in the chicken. I mean, you could do however you want to, but I feel like you should just keep, once you get done with the chicken, you should add your sauce in the pan so the sauce can cook in your chicken, so it can be in your chicken instead of just having crispy chicken and wet sauce just drizzled across your chicken. I want to taste every bite. I want every bite to taste like orange chicken. I don't just want it to fall off the chicken once I eat it. This is so good. Like, I recommend this. This was great. I have to do this meal again. So now I'm playing with it, just getting the sauce up in the chicken. And I'm gonna play with it and come back, let it simmer a little. See y'all when it get done. Mama. I'm telling you, but you think I'm bullshitting. Nigga, pay attention to the nigga buying cryptocurrency, a nigga buying crypto. Whatever they crashing today, I don't give a fuck. I post some. You post the bag when it's crashing, because you bought it next week. I'm telling you, watch what the white folks doing. They like, other niggas going yet? Okay, sprinkle some crackers in your soup every now and then. Sprinkle some crackers in your motherfucking soup. You know I'm holding her. Why do you think this cup is red? Dixie cup is the number one baby cup. I might put a little chicken. It's African American, but it's American. You get me on both. Homegrown in the US of A, baby. Please. Okay, keep that. In 3 weeks when the ass start rolling in, Walmart gonna read preparation. Shit, send it up. Okay, listen. We just the number one black show. Are you hungry? Alright, so Baptist and red cups first. Forget her. Whatever white people do, go to Walmart. Baptist and red. What I got out of this is Baptist and red cups and some cryptocurrency. Some cryptocurrency, some Dixie cup, and fuck as many women as I can. I don't know where that part came in. That's where you started. You like coochie and shit. That's what we started. That's the only one started since day one. Alright. None of this is possible without coochie. Okay, you know what, brother? I got to know all these black men that work in this room. Without coochie, they wouldn't be motivated to be here.